Hey guys, I thought I'd continue the Haxiaoer sort of following sort of thing. I've recently just bought this £180 plasma cutter. It's 40 amps. It says it's non-high frequency, non-touch. I don't know what that means, but we'll see if it's any good. So it's got a gas hose, 1.5 metre long. It's got, it looks like a water separator and mounting bracket. Earth lead, and obviously the torch. It's a BW PT40. A little bit of pipe, I imagine that's for the water separator to go to the machine. And the machine, of course, itself. Oh, and also some Jubilee clips, so thank you. Oh. That's reassuring. We have a quality assessment pass. Nice. Standard UK plug, which is handy. So, as soon as you start it up, the fan kicks in. E6, would imagine that's probably because it thinks it's got no air. It's just a 2-pin connector to the torch, and a little circular. That's nice that the fan's gone off. And the ground pilot arc light connection. It's a nice connector there. Gander. Imagine this screws on something. Goes there, take that off. That on there. That back on. And that's how that goes. So that's the connection. Goes in here. That pipe goes in here. Okay, so we want. There's a direction of flow on the thingy, so obviously we want it after it's been filtered, so we want it that side. So just so everybody can see, there's a direction arrow. The quick fit wants to be that side, and that goes to there, and that's where the airflow will come in. And this is your little drain. It's got a specialised connection, bull nose, and that fits just straight to the machine. And they've got a nice thread protector over the gas inlet, or should I say outlet. I can turn it off this way. So the little connector goes in here. Push that in. Push that all the way in. It's a little bit big, but we can live with that. What it doesn't include is an air connector for your home compressor, so luckily I've got one of those. Don't take this machine straight out on site without the following component. Yep, you need one of those to use the machine, otherwise it won't be able to plug into your compressor like that. So Jubilee clip fitted nicely on there, and as you can see the Jubilee clip is on the back of the machine. I'll just turn the compressor on now, and then we'll see what we can fire up. Okay, well I've got my trestle set up and some test material to cut. I've got some 1.6 mild steel, 3mm mild, 10mm mild, and then I've also got some 3mm aluminium to see how it goes. I'll just connect the compressor to it, turn the power on, and then we can see how it cuts. Let's say I want a circle for that. So I'm just going to cut this circle out, 20 amps, 50 psi, 1.6mm steel. Got my screen on shade 8. As you can see, I've got my circle cut through drill. It stopped a little bit, but I'm not sure why, but it carried on cutting. It's got too much pressure in, that's why. So that's 1.6mm. I've got some 3mm steel. We'll have to see how well that goes. That is on cutting at 20 amp. Now I've got some aluminium. It doesn't say what I should be cutting for aluminium, but we'll try it on 30 amp for 3mm aluminium. Try to put anything more on aluminium because it just slices through like butter. Now, as you can see, I've got some 10mm plate here. That's what I cut with my other plasma cutter. So I'll try and cut this now. Might try and put a little bit of a welding top on so I don't get burnt by all the spatter. That was the compressor just finishing. So I'm going to cut 10mm plate now. I mean, probably not the cleanest cut, but that's because I'm using it, I believe, and it could probably be used a lot more efficiently. But it'll certainly cut 10mm plate. And you chip the slag off. Nice. Let's see if I can get the camera a bit closer. And we'll just put out a H for Haxiaoer. See the H's in the shot. The H is that warm, it's still red. Obviously you can see the plate thickness, and with a little bit of cleaning up, that dross will just knock off. But yeah, 10mm plate, no problem.